Hello dear students, I am Kashif Ibrahim, and as you know that you are very close to your A-level exams, A-level computer science exams. So I thought that there should be some quick help for you so that you could prepare yourself for your upcoming computer science exam paper 2. So I have started a series of short lessons. I will be explaining past papers question by question. So in this lesson I have started algorithms, and we are going to say some questions of the algorithm from paper number 2 from past papers. So let's start our lesson. This question I have taken from the past paper year 2015. What it is saying that a program is to be written to calculate the discount given on purchase. A purchase may qualify for a discount depending on the amount spent. The purchase price, this is variable. The discount rate, this is variable, and amount paid is calculated as shown in the following pseudocode algorithm. This algorithm has been given, and after understanding this algorithm, on the next page you have to fill this flow chart. So this algorithm is to be converted into this flow chart. The purpose of this, as you have seen, this whole is to calculate the discount amount, and it is depending on the amount which has been spent by the customer. Means if the customer is spending more amount, then he or she will be given more discount, and if he or she is spending lesser amount, then obviously discount amount will also be lesser. So first it is taking purchase, input purchase. The purchase amount will go in purchase variable. Then it is checking the purchase variable whether it is more than 1000 or not. If it is more than 1000, then discount is being calculated here, and that will be 0.10, that is 10%. Otherwise, else, if discount is greater than 500, in other case, if the amount of purchase is more than 500, then discount rate will be 5%. And if it is not more than 500, obviously in that case it will be lesser than 500. In that case discount rate will be 0. So here we have three conditions, nested conditions here, but first it is checking whether it is more than 1000. If it is more than 1000, then simply it is 10% discount, and then next instruction will be executed here. Paid is equal to purchase into 1 minus discount rate. Otherwise, if it is not more than 1000, then it will go inside and check for the other conditions. After this, when these the discount rate has been calculated, it is coming on the next line, and paid paid is the variable or identifier which is calculating and storing the amount to be paid by the customer. And how it is being calculated? You see, the purchase amount is being multiplied by 1 minus discount rate. Discount rate is the amount, is the percentage which has to be reduced. So how much he has to be paid? Let's suppose discount rate is 10%, that is 0.1, right? So 0.1 is being deducted from 1, that will become 0.9, and it means that only 90% of the purchase amount will be paid by the customer, and 10% has been given as discount. If it is 0.05, then that will be 0.95. 1 minus 0.05 will become 0.95, and 0.95 will be multiplied by purchase amount. So 5% will be deducted in that case also. So that 5% lesser amount, 95% amount, will be paid by the customer, and 5% will be the discount to be given to the customer. And then after this, output paid, the amount which has been paid by the customer is being displayed. Right? This is how this algorithm is working. Now after seeing this algorithm, this flowchart is to be filled. You know that these pseudocodes and this flowchart, they both are representing the same logic. The difference is this: the pseudocode is in simple plain English language, which is defining the logic of the program we are going to make, or the programmer is going to make, while this flowchart is representing this algorithm, this pseudocode, into symbolic form. And you know that in program flowchart, different symbols are used to show different commands. For example, these two oval shapes are showing the start and end of the program or algorithm, while this parallelogram is showing the input or output, right? So any input or output can be shown by using this symbol. Similarly, this diamond shape is showing the decision making, and this rectangle is showing the process, any change in the variable or process, any change. And these lines are showing the flow of instructions, right? So this algorithm is starting from here and ending at this point. Now after seeing this, we have to fill this one. First is that we have to start our algorithm. So we will write here start. After start, now we have to see the given pseudocode. In pseudocode, first of all, we are purchasing. We are taking the input for purchase amount. So this input will go here. It's very clear. Input purchase. After this, we have condition. If purchase is greater than 1000, this symbol is used for decision or condition. So we will write here, if purchase is greater than 1000. If the purchase is more than 1000, then discount rate is equal to 0.10. Otherwise, we have another condition that if purchase is more than 1000, then this the amount to be paid, otherwise this amount to be paid. So what we will do here, condition is to be executed if this condition is false. So we will write here false. If this condition is true, it is calculating the discount rate is equal to 0.10, and it is connecting here, and after this line is being executed. So here we will write paid is equal to purchase into 1 minus discount rate. This line has been filled. Now these three boxes. Now you see, if the condition is false, if purchase is not more than 1000, in that case it will come here after else, and after else we have another condition, if purchase is more than 500. So this is purchase, we will write here purchase is more than 500. If the condition is true, then discount rate is equal to 0.05. If the condition is true, then discount rate is equal to 0.05, right? And it will connect here, and again paid will be calculated. Otherwise, else, discount rate is equal to 0. Discount rate is equal to 0. Otherwise means if the condition, this condition is false, right? So this is how it is working. After this, the last command is output paid. You see, this one is also a parallelogram. So here we will write output paid, right? So now we have filled the whole flowchart. The last symbol is showing the end of the program or algorithm. Here we will write end. So this is how this question will be solved. I hope that this will help you understanding the algorithms and flowchart. Thank you very much.